The National Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Fairfield County in southern Connecticut, Middlesex County in southern Connecticut, southern New Haven County in southern Connecticut, New London County in southern Connecticut, until 7:45 p.m. At 6:40 p.m., National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Norwich to 6 miles west of Trumbull, or along a line extending from Norwich to 7 miles northwest of Bridgeport, and moving east at 25 miles per hour. Other locations in the warning include but are not limited to Orange, North Brantford, Chester, North Madison, Milford, North Lyme, Stratford, Killingworth, Voluntown, Brantford, Gales Ferry, Ledyard Center, Guilford, Clinton, Westbrook, Old Lyme, Old Saybrook, Waterford, New London, Groton, and Mystic. In addition to large hail and damaging winds, continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's #1 killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. A severe thunderstorm watch remains in effect until 9 p.m. Monday evening for southern Connecticut and southeast New York. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 7:45 p.m. for the following counties in Connecticut: Fairfield, Middlesex, New Haven, and New London. Here is the forecast.